So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable dark mode in Google Maps on your Samsung Galaxy A26 and A36 and A56. So the first step is to locate the Google Maps app on your device. And then once you found it, just tap on it to launch it. Once you've launched Google Maps, the next step is to tap on your profile icon and scroll through the profile options until you find settings. Under settings, look for theme and select it. Then you should see the different options that you can use to enable or disable dark mode. So currently it's set to light mode. So if I want to switch to dark mode, I can tap always in dark and then select save. And you can see almost immediately my theme for Google Maps has gone from light mode to dark mode. If I want to switch back to light mode, I can just tap on theme, select light mode, and then tap on save and it will switch. You also have this third option called same as device theme. So when you tap on it and then select save, then it's completely up to you, your current theme, whether or not it's going to be in light mode or dark mode. So currently my phone is in light mode, which is why it's in light mode. However, if I switch to dark mode by tapping on this icon here, then you can see Google Maps successfully switches to dark mode. So this will now just follow the system settings. If your system is in light mode, Maps will be in light mode. If your system is in dark mode, then Google Maps will be in dark mode. So it's up to you to decide which of those three options you prefer to use whenever it comes to setting the theme of your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.